In 1956, a group of scientists made a bold claim. They believed machines could think, not calculate, not follow instructions, but think like humans. They failed. But that failure quietly shaped the world you're living in today. Artificial intelligence didn't begin with ChatGPT. It didn't begin with smartphones or the internet. It began with a question so dangerous it terrified scientists for decades. What if intelligence isn't special? In the mid-20th century, computers were massive machines. They filled rooms, they overheated, they barely worked. Yet a small group of researchers believed something radical. If human thinking follows rules, then machines could follow those same rules. They imagined computers that could play chess, understand language, learn from experience. They named this idea artificial intelligence. But reality hit hard. Computers were slow, data was scarce, and intelligence turned out to be far more complex than expected. The dream collapsed. This period became known as the first AI winter, when funding, trust, and belief disappeared. AI didn't fail once. It failed again and again. Every decade brought new hope and new disappointment. Why? Because humans underestimated their own intelligence. Understanding language isn't just grammar. Recognizing images isn't just shapes. Making decisions isn't just logic. It's context, emotion, experience. And machines had none of that. For years, AI was considered an overhyped fantasy until something changed. Around the early 2000s, the world unknowingly began training AI. Every search, every click, every photo uploaded. Suddenly, data exploded. At the same time, computers became faster, storage became cheaper, algorithms became smarter. Instead of programming intelligence, scientists let machines learn from data. This approach changed everything. Machines began recognizing faces, translating languages, beating world champions at complex games. I was no longer following rules, it was discovering patterns. Today, artificial intelligence is everywhere, often invisible. It predicts what you'll watch next, helps doctors detect diseases earlier, flags fraud before money is stolen, writes text, code, and even stories. Modern AI systems don't understand the world like humans. They predict what comes next incredibly well. They don't think, they simulate thinking, and that illusion is powerful enough to change industries. But here's the uncomfortable truth. AI learns from us, our data, our language, our biases. Which means A, I can discriminate, A, I can manipulate, A, I can be weaponized. The same technology that saves lives can destroy trust. So the real question isn't, can machines think? It's, can humans control what they teach machines? Artificial intelligence isn't the future, it's the mirror. It reflects our intelligence and our flaws at scale. And as AI grows more powerful, the most important decision won't be made by machines, it will be made by us. What kind of intelligence do we want to create?